Hey, we might be herd animals, but you don't have to stand so close. Back off, you striped donkey. No, don't bite my thigh. Last time you did that, I got a huge owie. Ah, now you're just following me. Stop it. You're invading my personal space.